Hello everyone, welcome back. How to fix Messenger no message problem in iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update. New or old messages if not showing in your Facebook Messenger, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, what we have to do, we have to launch settings. Scroll. Here we have to find and tap on Messenger. Under Messenger, you will see an option background app refresh. We have to turn on this option. If it's already turned on, then turn off and turn on back. After that, go back, General, iPhone storage, and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Here we have to find and tap on Messenger. Now tap offload app and tap again offload app to confirm. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background, launch App Store and re-download the Facebook Messenger. That's it. By doing these easy and simple steps, you will get rid of this issue and get back all messages, and also you will receive a new message on Facebook Messenger. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.